Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, on the Solana chart, we have the unchanged thesis that we are either, well, in a wave 4. Well, first of all, the thesis is that a large degree wave 4 bottomed in August, right? That was down here around 110, I think, $110. And then we're now in this fifth wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That wave 4 here internally could stretch out a little bit further. The next, let's say, milestone targets to the upside are around $360 to $380. This is where a lot of the levels meet, a lot of upside levels meet, and yeah, where the price could eventually actually put a major top in place in this cycle. Of course, further upside extensions are possible. We have another level above at 490, and there will be probably more, but hey, let's see. Let's first see if we can get to that level. However, anything above $500 I would see as very, very extended. And I think it would be likely that a larger correction unfolds before we move much, much higher, right? But the 360 to 380 area, I find that a very, very realistic target, which also matches well, I think, the idea that we could see a major top in Q1, as I mentioned many times before. Overall, we are in the late stages of a rally that started in 2022. Now let's take a look at the smaller time frame. We will zoom into this area here and the current wave 4. Maybe it's already done. So I see two pathways here, two roadmaps that I'm following. The first one is that the decline, which was in 3 waves, was an A wave in orange. We're now moving up in a B wave, A, B, C, which would complete wave B. And then we can watch for a C wave decline. A, B, C in the larger wave 4. And then from there, wave 5 to the upside has potential to emerge. That's one pathway. And the other one is a direct breakout. This was a wave 4. This pullback into the December lows. And then this is now a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we would move to new all-time highs based on that. In both scenarios, as you probably have seen, I'm expecting higher prices, just that the orange count would provide another, let's say more favorable entry point for those who want to look for entry points or let's say long positions within this larger orange support region. So the price held support so far. It's still an overall quite weak wave 4 overall, which is why I think the orange count is very likely. I would prefer it. However, I'm telling you that in the very short term, I'm watching for higher prices because even in the orange count in which we might test that support area, again, maybe around 196 or 179, even in this scenario, we could go higher in the short term. So we have a micro 5-wave move up from the December low. If a pullback starts from here, and there is currently no sign that a pullback has started, then the area between $209 and $221 would probably offer some support. And then here we can watch for either a C wave to the upside to start or a third wave in yellow. And we would do this, yeah? So both orange and yellow scenarios are plausible. Both are moving together at the moment on the micro level. And from a daily chart point of view, if it's orange or yellow that's playing out, doesn't really matter as long as we're holding $163. The overall focus remains on higher prices. In the short term, the pivot between orange and yellow is $209. That's the update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.